In this Flowblade tutorial, I will show you how to create a round video clip that can be played over the top of another video clip or an image. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Flowblade. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, the first thing you'll need to do this is actually create an image. I don't know of any way you can do it in Flowblade. Now this image is a white circle over a transparent background. Now I've left a link on how to do this in GIMP. You may choose to do it in another image manipulator, but GIMP is a pretty good way of creating these sort of things. Incidentally, you can use anything. You can use text, stars, boxes, whatever, but I'm going to go with the circle. Okay, so my background image is going to be this one here, so I'm going to just drag this one straight into track 1. Always start with V1 or track 1. I'll just roll my middle mouse to reduce this in size. Now the video that is going to be a circular video, I'm going to drag into track 2 or V2 and make sure it's snapped up at the beginning. Okay. Right click on track 2 or your top video, and then next to add compositor, left click affine blend. Now you'll need to go back into your media tab down here and then drag your image into track 3. Make sure it's snapped to the beginning, and then place your pointer, if needs be, over the right hand edge and using your left mouse button drag it so that it matches or comes to the end of your video. Now right click on track 3 or your image, and then where it says add compositor, come all the way down to blenders and then left click multiply. Now you should have a video that doesn't play very well. Usual problem with editors. That has got a round video clip in it. Incidentally, if you want a background that isn't a video or isn't an image, you'll have to create a colored image to go behind, but I won't go into that. I shan't go into rendering either. Like I said at the beginning, I've got some links below this tutorial on how to edit in Flowblade. One is for older versions and one's for the new version 2. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.